Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the different types of track on our Logic Pro project. So Logic Pro supports different types of track. So I will give you a summary or brief idea what are the different types of track. So to create a Logic Pro, to create a track in Logic Pro, basically we need to come track and then we have to choose new track. So once we choose new track, it doesn't matter whether you are creating now or you are creating at the beginning. Logic Pro has these 4 variations of track like MIDI, pattern, session player and audio. So MIDI has 2 different types. One is software instrument and another is external MIDI. So there is pattern also and audio also. Audio has 2 things also like mic or line and guitar or bass. So audio track, basically this contain audio regions from audio recordings, audio appel loops and imported audio files. So using this type of thing we can actually use this tool to do this thing. Now software instrument track, which is a MIDI track, right? So this MIDI track contains MIDI regions from the software instrument recordings, MIDI appel loops and imported MIDI files. Software instrument track can also contain session player regions and pattern region. Okay, so both of them can be included in this software instrument pattern. Now there is also external MIDI track, right? So this contain MIDI regions that send MIDI data to an external MIDI device or virtual MIDI device. Anything is fine, whether that is a physical MIDI device or a virtual MIDI device. External MIDI tracks can also contain session player and pattern regions. And the other things are like folder tracks, which contain the folders, but I'm not going to tell you those things. And this pattern track basically is very also interesting, and it also has similar 2 categories like software instrument and external MIDI. So these are basically, they can be used together to produce very good quality sound easily. And the session player, it includes drummers, bass player and keyboard player, all of them. So to create a MIDI track or to include a MIDI track on your existing project, you just need to click here and then you can choose this thing, open library, and then you can click the create button and it will create a MIDI track. So here it is creating this one, classic electric piano. Okay, and this MIDI track is support actually includes all of these devices or like tool or whatever you can say, like guitar, keyboards, then piano, so many things, right? And this thing in this way you can create a like MIDI track which is which is a software instrument track. To add a external MIDI track, we can also do the same way, track, then new track, and we can use external MIDI track, but at the time we have to actually configure our like virtual devices or physical devices, and then we can press the create button and here it will create this thing. And here see the icon, this icon and this icon is different. Basically that means that is not actually electric piano, this is instrument. Okay, and this is a software like external MIDI track thing. Okay, this is like external software instrument track and this is external MIDI track. So like that way we can add. Same way if you want to add another track with different types like audio, we can choose it and we can choose mic and then we can press the create button and then it will create the audio track. And see here the icon is also different, and here there are 2 regions, one is R and I. If I press I, then you'll see that it will show us like using these built-in speakers together with the built-in microphone can cause feedback. Connect headphones or this thing, this is giving me this thing, and I can press the ignore button and then it will start recording something like that. See here it is doing like that. So I'm going to uncheck this thing. Okay, fine. Now let's go to the another track, like track, new tracks, and then now this time I'm going to choose a guitar or bass. I'm going to choose it and then I'm going to press the create button and then it will add over there. We can make it ignore, and here it is actually adding that thing. See, this is guitar. So same way actually we can add a like drum, which is like session player, like drummer, we can use it, and this is like orange color, and you will see the orange color icon, or everything will be orange. Now see here, this is coming, this is drama track, and all of these features are the from drama track. And here there are defined categories, you can choose the sounds. Now let's go to the next section, new track, and then there is another on pattern. This is quite interesting. You can use this one and this one. This is for virtual device or physical device, external devices, but this is for like software instrument. And I'm going to choose create button, and I'm same way I'm choosing open library, and then I'm going to press the create button. Once I press the create button, then it will bring like this type of pattern here you are seeing. And here we can actually configure it. I mean, we can produce the sound like this way. Suppose for example clicking here, and then we can click here, then here, and here, there. And if we try to play it, then we'll see the sound, we'll listen the sound basically. See here, see here, it is actually creating this music by using pattern. So that's it guys. In this way we can use different variations of MIDI track, I mean different types of like MIDI track to produce good quality of sound or for realistic sound. So these are the brief details about all the MIDI tracks. Hopefully it will help you to understand what are different types of or categories of MIDI track we can add to our project, and we can produce very high good quality of sound or music. So thank you guys for watching the video.